Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to walk you through a complete step-by-step tutorial on mastering Notion's status property, one of the most powerful ways to organize and track your workflow in Notion databases. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up custom statuses, visualize them in different views, and understand how they can supercharge your productivity whether you're working solo or with a team. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to create a database in your Notion workspace. If you're new to databases, they're like digital spreadsheets, but smarter and more flexible. Just hit that plus new database button, give it a name, and open it up. This is going to be the home for all your tasks, notes, or whatever you're tracking. Once your database is ready, add a status property. Click into the database settings, usually at the top or in the sidebar, then go to Edit Properties. Here, you'll see all the current fields, like name or maybe tags. Now click Add a Property and select Status from the options. This is where the magic starts. The status property comes with 3 default tags: To Do, In Progress, and Complete. They're color-coded, which really helps you spot what needs attention at a glance. If you want, you can customize these tags. A great idea for tailoring the workflow to fit your project. For example, if you run a weekly review, you might add a Waiting for Feedback status. Remember, you can always tweak these later as your needs evolve. Now, let's make your workflow really pop visually. Click Add New View at the top of your database and select Board. Boards display your statuses as columns, a bit like Kanban or sticky notes for your screen. Suddenly, every task lines up under its current status, making it super easy to see what's moving forward and what's falling behind. Go ahead and add some new pages, maybe a few tasks under each status. This helps you see how the board view updates live as you work. For those who prefer working with rows and columns, switch over to Table View. Click back into the database settings, Edit Properties, then select your status property again. This time, look for the option called Display As. You'll notice you can switch the status property to show as checkboxes instead of a select menu. If you use checkboxes, your statuses will only show To Do and Complete. So if you have simple done, not done workflows, this might be perfect. One small limitation is that intermediate statuses like In Progress don't show up as checkboxes, so it's a little less flexible, but sometimes that works best. After making changes, jump back to the board view. You'll probably see that anything checked off is immediately put into the Done column. And don't worry, if something looks different, you can always revert, edit, or experiment until it feels just right for your style. That covers the essentials for mastering Notion's status property. Whether you keep it simple or customize deeply, you've just unlocked a powerful way to visualize progress and keep tasks flowing. If you want to dig even deeper, Notion lets you add more rules, automations, and custom statuses. But today, we've covered everything you need to get started and work smarter. Thanks for following along. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I always love to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tutorials to keep leveling up your digital workspace. See you next time.